Hi, everybody. I hope your day is going really well. Welcome to my channel for those of you who are new, and welcome back to those of you who have seen my content before. If you've seen my shorts and my other content, you know I love style. Let's be real here, right? It's a lot of fun to see how an outfit comes together and what specific elements influence it to make it look excellent. One area that warrants a closer look is how colors work together to influence the vibe and mood of your outfit and how it's perceived. How style is influenced by color theory ultimately. And no, we're not just talking about what season you are in terms of a color palette or something like that. The core idea behind how different colors work together is called color theory. And so we're going to dive in a little bit further and talk about what it is and how you can use it to elevate your personal style. So, why are we even talking about color theory, right? The concept that different colors look different on different people isn't exactly new. Of course, there's the popular view of finding out what seasonal color palette you are, but it isn't the most inclusive or even comprehensive. It also only focuses on what might be flattering and completely ignores other reasons to wear a color. Color theory can get really complicated. It's actually the core of how this idea of different seasons were developed. But again, the seasons idea is just a boiled down, simplified, non inclusive, non comprehensive version. So, why don't we go to the root source and talk about color theory itself and how color theory can be used to make colors that wouldn't normally be flattering look good on you. So, what is color theory? At its core, color theory is a field of study that explores how different colors interact with each other and how they can be combined to create aesthetically pleasing and harmonious visual effects. It encompasses a set of principles and guidelines that helps not just people with style or fashion, but also artists, designers, and individuals practicing any type of art form understand and use color effectively. Color theory is applied to numerous fields, again, including art, design, fashion, and even psychology. In the videos I make, though, we're just going to be talking about color theory and how it relates to fashion and style choices. Understanding color theory ultimately provides a foundation for making informed and intentional color choices. It helps individuals create visually appealing looks by leveraging the principles of color harmony, contrast, and balance. Again, color theory gets really complicated. A lot of the details are way more than we can talk about in just one video. But the core root of color theory is that you want to think about how different colors relate to each other on the color wheel and learn how these relationships impact each other and other colors. So, this is a simple version of the color wheel you can use to start thinking about how the different colors are related. Notice what colors are next to each other versus opposite each other on the color wheel. The farther apart two colors are, the more they will contrast and emphasize each other. The closer they are, the more colors will seem to blend together and de emphasize each other. It can also create a sense of harmony and a more subdued vibe to the outfit if everything is close together on the color wheel. We'll get more into details like that later, though. So here's an example, right? Notice the color is the same in the center of all four images, but that same color looks completely different depending on what color is surrounding it and how it looks when placed next to the other color. Notice how even different saturations of the surrounding color can influence how the color looks, how it's perceived, how it presents. Like I've said time and time again, color theory can get complicated. So today, let's take a look at one quick takeaway you can start using right now. Anytime you want to draw emphasis to an area, just add a color on the opposite side of the color wheel right next to it. Anytime you want to decrease the emphasis on an area, make sure any nearby colors are very similar or identical to the one you wish to de-emphasize. So as an example, let's say you hypothetically wanted to emphasize your chest and de-emphasize your stomach while wearing blue jeans. You could wear a blue overshirt, buttoned or otherwise fastened just below the chest, and place some kind of orange shirt underneath it so that when paired with your blue jeans, the majority of your outfit is going to be that blue and create a really harmonious effect and de-emphasize areas in the blue. Whereas that area in orange that's peeking out of that blue overshirt is going to be really emphasized because it's so different from the rest of the color palette. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you found some of the basics of color theory interesting like I did. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And comment if you want to see more content about color theory, or if you have any questions or thoughts you want me to cover in a video about specific colors, right? Anyways, thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.